Let's pretend for the sake of this video that I got invited to a New Year's Eve party. Don't feel bad for me. Even if I had been invited to a New Year's Eve party, I would have come up with any excuse to bail at the last second. I'm typically asleep hours before the ball drops. But maybe there's a version of me somewhere that did get an invite and did attend, and this is the makeup that I would wear. For the base, I'm using the Eldridge Skin Tint. Because it's New Year's, I'm going to do a heavy smoky eye, so I want to keep the rest of the face relatively light. And because it's going to be a dramatic eye look, I want to make sure to brighten up under the eyes. I'm going to use the Natasha Denona concealer. Tap, 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 tap. Blend, 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 blend. I'm going to warm up the complexion a little bit with the Makeup by Mario. And for blush, I'm using the Westman Atelier Baby Cheeks Blush Stick in Mimi. I'm going to powder with the Givenchy Prism Libre powder. It's the old formula. It's that good good. And now the exciting part, the eyes. The Victoria Beckham Lid Lustre in Mink. This is amazing. What I love about the Lid Lustre is that it's basically a one and done. I can use it all over the lid, pack it on, and then feather it out. And somehow it looks like 3 different eyeshadows. Behold. Let's do the other eye. For mascara, I'm using the Westman Atelier I Love You mascara in black. And because we've got a dramatic eye, we have to do a pretty low-key lip. I don't make the rules. You can't do a heavy eye and a heavy lip. That's crazy. So I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown lip tint in Bare Pink. Just a little touch of color. I think it needs more blush. And that's it. I'm ready for the New Year's party. See you in 2025.